Welcome to visit Shandong Thompson Equipment Company in China. Thompson is the top 3 manufacturers in China who can produce brewery equipment, fermentation equipment, and filling machine at the same time for the whole plant turnkey project. Thompson has a plant with around 20,000 square meters and has around 200 employees. With around 15 years of rich experience, Thompson has exported to more than 120 countries and regions, having served more than 5,000 customers globally. Korea 200 liters brewery, India 300 liters brewery, Japan 500 liters brewery, Argentina 800 liters brewery, Mozambique 1000 liters brewery, Fritz 1000 liters brewery, America's 10,000 liters fermentation tank and louder tone, England 2000 liters brewery, France 2000 liters brewery, Slovakia 2000 liters brewery, the Netherlands 2000 liters brewery, Hungary 2200 liter, England 2500 liters, England 3000 liters, Canada 3000 liters, Georgia 5000 liters. So far we have more than 50 sets of advanced processing equipment, including the world's leading manufacturing equipment, such as automatic laser welding machine and automatic laser cutting machine, automatic pipe welding machine, CNC milling machine, automatic polishing machine, and other advanced manufacturing equipment to guarantee the quality of project implementation. And we also has more than 20 sets of advanced inspection and testing equipment, including advanced metal spectrum analyzers, polishing detectors, tank pressure recorders, dampness detectors, endoscopy instruments, etc. Thompson's equipment has been recognized by more and more clients. We are looking forward to working with you.